Today we're making grilled cheese sandwich. Take the sliced bread, melt some butter. Spread the butter on one side of the bread. Flip the bread and apply mayonnaise on the other side. Now we're adding American cheese. I'm taking 4 pieces. You can do as much as you want. Put some parchment paper and then preheat the air fryer first. Then fry the grilled cheese sandwich 4 minutes. Flip the sandwich and then fry it again 2-3 minutes more. And here the sandwich is ready. It's very crispy on the outside and very cheesy on the inside. Comment if you try this and subscribe on my channel for more delicious recipes.